Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is our Sample Sunday series. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. This is my favorite video to film with you guys because I feel like I try products out, I save ourselves plus myself some money because I try products out, and then if they're good, then I know to add them to like a wish list. If they're bad, then I know that not to purchase those items. So that's the best way to try your samples out. If you have a ton of samples, I highly recommend that you pull them out, try them out. Don't just stick them to the side and like say forget about them. They can help you to save tons of money. So the first one I want to talk about is this one right here. This is the Wella Brilliance. This is the with Lime Caviar Vibrant Color Conditioner. So basically this is just a conditioner. There's nothing really fancy about it. It does smell really nice. I did notice a huge difference with my hair with it. I did wash my hair twice this week with this because I had plenty to do it twice. It's empty now, so I don't think that it's something I would purchase. I do like the Wella brand, but this wasn't something that I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good. It wasn't like that by any means. So for me, I feel like this was just a typical conditioner. I didn't find anything extraordinary. My hair still had quite a bit of tangles in it, so it didn't help that much with that either. So for me, I would say this is a pass. The next thing is from Buxom. This is the Buxom Lash Mascara. So here's what the mascara looks like. It's just a typical black mascara with a silver top. The box looks like this. This one here will give you lots of volume, but no length. Like if you want length to your lashes, you're not going to get it from this because I tried to build it up and give myself length with this and I was not successful. So I don't think that if you're looking for length, this is one that you would want. But if you just want a ton of volume, this is really nice. I do like the wand to this. It is a plastic wand or a, what is it they call it? Oh my gosh, I know it's a natural or a synthetic. So it's a synthetic wand. So here is the synthetic wand. I like the wand to it because it's not very thick. It's more easy to work with because I do have an issue trying to put mascara on because I am not good with mascara. So I do like the wand to it, but as far as formula, I don't think it's going to give you the length that you're looking for if that is what you're looking for. The next thing is from Covergirl. This is the Covergirl Clean Fresh. This is a highlighter basically. So it's a cooling glow stick. So when you put it on, it is very, very cooling. You put it onto your skin and it feels really nice. The only thing is I'm not a huge highlighter fan that's in this type of formula where it's like the stick where you just rub it onto your skin and then it kind of glows like that. It is even very cooling on my hand as well. I think this works better if you're someone you don't use a ton of powders because I noticed that if I use this then I can't use powders before I put it on. So it's kind of one of those things that you have to do it in the proper order. So if you do it in the proper order, it does work and it does show up, but it's not anything blinding. So if you're looking for a blinding highlight, this is not blinding either. But the one thing I did notice about this that's really cool is if you have a problem getting your makeup to stay onto your skin, say for example, sometimes I know like throughout the day, my makeup will just disappear and I'm like, where did it go? I know I put makeup on. But if you put this on first and then put a powder highlight on top of it, it stays. It stays really, really well. And not only that, it can make your highlighter that you put on top a little more intense. So if you want a more intense highlighter, then this is the way you would go. You would go in with a like a cream type of formula and then go in with the powder formula. So this works well like that. I'm going to continue to use it up because I do find that it does help me to keep my highlight on my face longer. But as far as using it by itself, I don't think it's something I would personally use by itself. The next thing is from Ahaha. This is the Deadsea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This one smells not good. It smells like old baby powder, but it's very hydrating. I know the Ahaha is very, very hydrating for your skin. I have loved a lot of their hand creams I've tried throughout the years. This one here, I just found that the scent is not kind of off-putting. I don't love the scent to it. I did use it on my feet, which my feet were thankful for because my feet are very dry. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like every part of my body gets really dry in the wintertime, even my feet. So this was helpful for my feet, and it's not like I'm going to walk around smelling my feet. So, I mean, I don't typically do that. It's kind of weird. So this worked really well for that, but as far as my hands, I would not use it on my hands because it's too strong of a old baby powder scent. It's like if you had like a Johnson & Johnson's, if you guys have ever had children and you had like an old Johnson & Johnson's baby wash, or not baby wash, but the baby lotion, and then you find it somewhere, like you're like, oh, that's really old, I think, and then you open it up, it's exactly what it smells like. It just smells old. It smells kind of rancid. It is not old though. I've checked it out and everything. I checked the date out and it's not old. It's just the fact that that's the way it smells. So not my favorite scent. The next thing is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. This works really well if you have dry skin. I think this is a perfect day cream. As far as night cream, I don't think it's thick enough. I need something a little bit more thicker for my skin. My skin is extremely dry, especially during the winter months. My skin will get so dry that it almost hurts because it's so dry, especially my lips. My lips will get extremely dry. But of course, I'm not using this on my lips. I'm using this on my face. But I just don't feel like this is a good enough one to wear overnight. I like something very thick and hydrating overnight. That way there I wake up in the morning and I feel like my skin is a lot more supple, a lot more moisturized, and I just don't feel like this is just not enough. So for me, I would say it's a good daytime one, but not a night one. So if you have maybe not as dry skin as I do, you might enjoy it way more than I do at nighttime. But just for me at nighttime, it's not the best. The next thing is from Vichy. This is the Peptide-C. It says it reduces wrinkles and gives you a contoured look. It firms and brightens its 48-hour hydration. This was fantastic. Because the First Aid Beauty was not hydrating enough, this worked so well for me because my skin just kind of like soaked it in. I don't know about the 48-hour remark that it says. I don't think that's true. It's not sticky, it's not like greasy or whatsoever. So if you're looking for a good hydration that's going to give you a lot of moisture and it just feels like it just sinks right in, this works really well. For me, this is working better than most of the other ones I've tried recently, so I am definitely going to be keeping my eye out for a sale for this. So this was very good, and it's got vitamin C. So vitamin C helps to brighten your skin if you have discoloration onto your skin that you're trying to get rid of. This will really help you out as well. So for me, this was a win-win-win, so something I will definitely consider purchasing. Actually, I'm going to be putting it to my wish list for sure. Then we have two perfume samples here. We have the Grapefruit and Verbena from Nest. This smells so good. It smells more like grapefruit than it does Verbena. I don't smell much of the Verbena in here, but it smells very fruity like grapefruit. So if you like grapefruit scents, you're gonna love this. So for me, it smells very good. Grapefruit and then kind of citrusy type of scents remind me of Christmas time. And I think it's because when I grew up, I don't know about you guys, but when I grew up, like the places around me, like the schools would sell fruit and stuff like that, and it would be around the holiday season, and so they would always be in our house, and so we'd always eat a lot of citrus fruit during the winter time. So I think that's why it reminds me of winter time, but I love it. It smells good. Then we have this one right here. This is by Josie Jane. This is the Leila Lou. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells so good. It's a very sweet smell to it. So if you like a very sweet smell, you're going to love this. It's not girly sweet like cotton candy. It's just a very sweet, seductive scent. So I really love this one. I don't even know where you'd purchase Josie Jane, so I'm gonna look into that one as well, because this is one that I know for sure I would love to have, at least in a rollerball size. I don't want a full size of it because I'm trying not to buy any more perfume. I've got enough. But maybe just a rollerball size, that would be great. So I might have to see if maybe the luxury scent box has this in their collection. If they do, I'm going to have that as one of my rollerballs that I get, or not rollerballs, but there's their spritzers. So their spritzers come like this. Actually, I don't have one. I thought I had one over here. Yes, I do. Nope. This is Scent Box. So Scent Box and luxury Scent Box are very similar. So Scent Box doesn't offer quite as many selections that you can choose from. Luxury Scent Box offers a lot more variety. So if you guys are interested in that one that I told you guys about before, that Shea and Blue, or Blue and Shea, what is it? Shea and Blue. I had to look. It's the Black Tulip one. If you're interested in that one you get through Luxury Scent Box. But this is the best way to get it if you're trying not to purchase any more full-size perfumes, because you get a little container here, and then this you pull out, and there's your perfume for the month that you're going to be using. This lasts about a month more, honestly, because mine have lasted for a long time. So this works perfect for me because I don't have to go buy the full size and spend a boatload of money on the full size products. So now let's go ahead and pull up our new products here. So we're going to start with makeup. I'm going to pull two out of here. The first one is, let me see. We have, this is the Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro. It's an intense velvet color, and it's in the shade 501. I think it's a bright red. This would have been perfect for Valentine's. Come on now. Oh, no, it's not. It's not a bright red. I was wrong. It's more of a mauvey shade. So here's what the shade looks like. I am excited about using this. I'm gonna see what it looks like. Let's give her a little swatch here. It smells good too. So there's the color. Oh, I really love that color. That color is really pretty. So I'm excited about that. And that's a perfect little size to throw into your purse too. So if you don't finish up a sample, that's the one thing I have found that I really love to do, is if I find a sample that I really love, I'll use that until it's finished before I go buy it, because that way there I have more chances to try it and more ways to figure out if it absolutely works. So if I fall in love with something in a week, I continue to use it until it's completely gone. The next thing is, let's see. We have, oh, this is something from Ulta Beauty. This is called the Perfect Pair. So this is a eyeshadow duo. So this looks exciting. And I think it kind of matches the lipstick a little bit. So we have two eyeshadows here. One is in the shade Beauty Junkie. So here's Beauty Junkie. That's a really pretty color. Let's swatch it. Oof, it's got a lot of kick up here. Let's see. I'm gonna give her a good chance here. There's what it looks like. That's pretty. And then we have the shade Petite. And Petite I think is a matte. Yeah, it is. It's a matte shade. So here is Petite. So we have Petite and what was the other one called? Beauty Junkie. Petite and Beauty Junkie. So they look pretty good actually. They look pretty promising. So I'm excited about trying those out as well. I love eyeshadow singles even though I don't ever use them. I need to use them more. I need to actually do a video where I pull only like singles for a week. That would be a great idea. Now we're moving on to the skincare basket. So the skincare basket is right here. So I'm going to pull 3 out of this one. The first one is, we have, this is by Trilogy. This is the Vital Moisturizing Cream with Rosapine, Marula, and Orange Flower. I've never even heard of this brand. Have you guys ever heard of this? Trilogy? It says natural cosmetics certified by BioGrow. I have no idea. So I'm excited to try it out though. See if it's any good. The next one is, let's see. Ooh, we have something big. We have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream with SPF 30. This is an anti-wrinkle day cream with broad spectrum SPF 30. It says it's for fine lines and wrinkles. It has Padina, Provincia, Rose, Mimosa, Firm, Smooths, and Hydrates. I am excited about that. I really love Elemis because I think Elemis has a really nice skincare line. I think you guys, if you've been here with me for a while, you know that I tried Elemis the first time on a cruise ship and I loved it. So I'm excited about seeing how good that one works. Alright, the next one is, let's see what we got here. We have Perricone MD. This is the High Potency Face Firming Activator. It says you smooth it evenly over into your clean skin and then that's all it says. I don't know. So it's an activator. That's interesting. I don't know if you're supposed to layer that up with something, but we're going to try it. And then we're on to hair and body. So the first one out of hair and body is, let's see. Oh, we have some big. We have the Ulta Beauty Sugared Vanilla Moisturizing Body Lotion. Sugared vanilla sounds delicious. It says shea butter, aloe, vitamins A, B, C, and E. So I'm excited about that as well. I love a good body lotion, especially if it smells yummy. The next one is, ooh, what do we have here? We have, this is the AQUIS. AQUIS is those hair towels. AQUIS Prime. This is the Water Defense Pre-Shampoo or Pre-Wash. Wet hair, and it says truth, wet hair is weak hair. So moist directly into your dry hair, spray evenly, set for 2 minutes before washing and cleansing your hair. So it's a pre-wash. You spray it in, leave it set for 2 minutes, and then wash your hair like you normally would. So I'm assuming it's supposed to make your hair stronger. We'll have to see if like maybe it helps to, maybe less hair will fall out because I typically have quite a bit of hair fall out after I've washed my hair. So let's see what the next thing is. We have our perfumes. The first perfume is Philosophy Compassionate. I know I've never tried that one before. I didn't even know they had one called Compassionate, so I'm excited about that. I'm not going to spray it because I already have perfume on, but I'm excited about trying that. And the next one is, we have Dolce & Gabbana, The Only One. I have already have that, I think, in the full size, so I'm going to put that into the basket for you guys. The next one is Bulgari Omnia Crystalline. I feel like I've tried this, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure I have tried this. Yes. So I'm going to throw that in your basket as well. We're getting down to the nitty gritty on perfumes. We have Twilly de Hermes. I own this and this smells fantastic. So I'm going to put that in your basket as well. Oh my goodness. The next one is Narciso Rodriguez. Narciso Rodriguez For Her. Okay, I don't think that I've tried this one. If I have, it's okay. We're going to try it again anyway. So here is a new perfume to try out as well. Now we're moving on to our sample giveaway. So I'm going to pull up the Sample Sunday video. You guys really seem to enjoy when I went all the way back to the beginning of the comment section. So that's what I'm going to do again this time. I'm going to scroll it all the way back and then we will we will go scroll up like we typically do. Let me find the video first. I don't know why my phone's acting goofy. Alright, so let's scroll it all the way to the beginning of the comment section. So I'm going to show you. Scroll, scroll, scroll. It takes forever to, like, for my phone to, like, operate with me sometimes. Alright, I think we're at the beginning. Yes. Alright, so we're at the beginning, and then now we're going to scroll. And stop. And I turned it off. How many times do I do that as well? Alright, scroll again. Alright, there we go. Stop. The winner is Sherry Lynn Jennings. She says, hashtag sample Sunday. Awesome samples. Thanks for sharing. Love your videos. So Sherry Lynn Jennings, you are the winner of the goodie bag from last week. And the goodie bag was this cute one right here. It's so full that I can't zip it, but no worries. We will put it into a separate bag when I mail it out to you. So all you have to do to claim your prize is look in the description box, find my email address, and send me your mailing address to that email address, and I'll mail that out to you. So you are the winner. I need to grab a goodie bag. I forgot to grab a goodie bag, so hang tight. Okay, so I found a goodie bag. So we have this one right here. This is another Ipsy bag. This one's nice and sparkly as well. So if you can use it for date night, throw everything into your little bag. It's hot pink on the inside and then black on the back side. So, and it has this cute little tassel here. So we're going to grab our samples out of the basket. So I'm going to put 10 samples in here and let's get started. The first one is, we have the Hemp's Hardworking Hand Protector. So here's a Hemp's hand cream. This is really good. It's a very good hand care line as well, and it's not super expensive. The next one is, we have the Trilogy. You get to try the same thing I'm trying out, so that'll be cool. The next thing is, let's see. What do we got here? Oh, we got two things. We got a 2-for deal. We got the Acqua di Gioia by Giorgio Armani perfume. And then we also have the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. So there's a 2-for deal. The next one is, we have the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. So here's a little setting powder to try out. That's 4. The next one is, we have the No. 7 Booster Serum. So here's a little serum from No. 7. 5. The next one is, we have a perfume. I could tell. We got the Dolce Gabbana Only One. So there's the Only One perfume. Stick on the other side now. Let's see. What do we got? We have a lipstick. We have a full-size Milani lipstick, and this is a bold matte in the shade I Am Brave. So there's the color. That's 7. The next one is, I always lose count. The next one is the First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. This smells fantastic if you love coconuts. It smells really good. The next one is, let me see. We got a smaller one. We have the Strivectin, The Science of Ageless Hair. This is a deep repair mask. That's 8. 2 more to go, guys. Let's see what we get. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty here. And we got a No. 7, a booster serum. Is that the same thing? I feel like it's the same thing. Let me check here. Make sure. One is a booster serum that's firming, and this one says line correcting, so they're different. So that's cool. All right, the next one is, what do we got? We have another lipstick from Milani. I don't think we want a duplicate lipstick. That'd be silly. All right, the next one is, let's see. We have a perfume. This is the Mankind Legacy by Kenneth Cole. It's actually a cologne. So there are all the samples. I think that's 10. Let's do one more just for good measure. The next and last one is this one right here. Perfume again. We have the Omnia Crystalline. So we have another perfume. So there's quite a few little perfumes in here. So if you are a perfume collector like I am, this would be a good way to try some out. So if you're interested in wanting this cute little goodie bag, all you have to do is leave me a comment. Any comment. It doesn't matter what it says. You can tell me what color the sky is outside, if it's nighttime or if it's daytime while you're watching this. Anything you want to leave me, and just make sure you hashtag sample Sunday so I know you're interested in winning the giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I would love to know what samples you guys are using. Let me know, because that helps me out. It helps you guys out in the comment section to see what samples are good, which ones are bad. We all help each other here a little bit, so that's pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.